Hello, everyone. Welcome back to World English Studio. My name is Michael. I am very happy to see you today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. Thank you for studying English with us.
Today, we have a fun and very useful topic. Today, we will talk about ordering a pizza over the phone.
Yes, pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world. Many people order pizza when they are tired or when they are with friends.
Ordering over the phone can be a little scary for English learners. But don't worry. We are here to help you.
We will learn the right words to use. We will learn how to ask for toppings. We will also learn how to give our address.
We eat pizza at parties. We eat pizza on Friday nights. We eat pizza when we watch movies.
Sometimes we go to the pizza shop, but often we call the shop and ask for delivery.
Today, we will learn easy English words for this. We will learn how to say what size we want. We will learn how to pay.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly. We will use easy sentences for A1 and A2 levels.
Let's begin. Pizza comes from Italy, but now it is everywhere. In the United States, in London, in Sydney. Everyone loves pizza.
Yes, there are many different kinds of pizza. Some people like thin crust. Some people like thick crust.
There are many flavors. You can have meat, vegetables, or even fruit like pineapple on pizza.
To order over the phone, you need to be clear. You need to know your phone number and your home address.
We will learn the word delivery today. This means the pizza comes to your house.
We will also learn the word toppings. These are the things we put on top of the cheese.
Now, let's listen to our first conversation. Marcus is hungry and he wants to eat pizza. He is calling Tony's Pizza Shop. A worker named Sarah will answer the phone.
Hello, thank you for calling Tony's Pizza. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Of course. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
I would like a large pizza, please.
Great. And what toppings would you like on your pizza?
Can I have pepperoni and extra cheese, please?
Sure. One large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Do you have any vegetarian options? My friend does not eat meat.
Yes, we have a veggie special. It has peppers, onions, olives, and mushrooms.
That sounds good. I will take one medium veggie special, too.
Perfect. So that is one large pepperoni and one medium veggie. What kind of crust would you like?
Thin crust for both, please.
No problem. Can I have your name and address for the delivery?
My name is Marcus. My address is 123 Maple Street, apartment 4B.
123 Maple Street, 4B. And your phone number?
It is 555-0192.
Thank you, Marcus. Your total is $28. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with cash when the driver arrives.
Sounds good. Your pizza will be there in about 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That is great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye. That was the end of the first conversation. Marcus was very polite on the phone.
Yes, he used the phrase, I would like. This is a very good and polite way to ask for things in English.
When you call a shop, you can say, I would like to order. It is better than saying, I want.
They talked about sizes: small, medium, and large.
Most pizza shops have these 3 sizes. If you are alone, a small is good. If you are with a friend, a medium is better.
Marcus also asked about toppings. This is a very important word for pizza.
We will explain that word very soon. Marcus also mentioned his address.
You must say your address clearly. If you live in an apartment, don't forget the apartment number.
Marcus said apartment 4B. This helps the delivery driver find the door.
Now we will learn some important words from this conversation.
We will explain them slowly.
Please listen carefully. You can repeat the words after us.
Let's start with our first word, delivery.
Delivery.
Delivery means the shop brings the food to your house.
Example 1.
I want a pizza delivery for dinner.
Example 2.
Is the delivery free?
Example 3.
The delivery driver is at the door.
Delivery is very convenient. You don't have to leave your house.
You can stay in your pajamas and wait for food. This is why many people love delivery.
When you call, you can ask, do you do delivery?
Most pizza places do.
Now let's learn the next word.
Toppings.
Toppings.
Toppings are the ingredients on top of the pizza.
Example 1.
What toppings do you like?
Example 2.
I like mushroom and onion toppings.
Example 3.
Extra cheese is my favorite topping.
Pepperoni is a very popular topping in the U.S.
Pineapple is a topping too, but some people don't like it on pizza.
That is a big debate, but you can choose any toppings you want.
You can say, "Can I have?" and then list your toppings.
Can I have olives and peppers, please?
Now let's learn the next word.
Crust.
Crust.
The crust is the bread part of the pizza.
Example 1.
I like thin crust pizza.
Example 2.
The crust is very crunchy.
Example 3.
Do you want cheese inside the crust?
Some people like thick crust, like a pie.
Others like it very thin and crispy.
Some shops even put cheese inside the crust.
That is called stuffed crust. It is very delicious.
When the worker asks what kind of crust, you can choose.
Now, let's listen to the conversation again. This time, we will go very slowly.
Please listen carefully to the sounds of the words. This will help your pronunciation.
Hello, thank you for calling Tony's Pizza. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Of course. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
I would like a large pizza, please.
Great. And what toppings would you like on your pizza?
Can I have pepperoni and extra cheese, please?
Sure. One large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Do you have any vegetarian options? My friend does not eat meat.
Yes, we have a veggie special. It has peppers, onions, olives, and mushrooms.
That sounds good. I will take one medium veggie special too.
Perfect. So that is one large pepperoni and one medium veggie. What kind of crust would you like?
Thin crust for both, please.
No problem. Can I have your name and address for the delivery?
My name is Marcus. My address is 123 Maple Street, apartment 4B.
123 Maple Street, 4B. And your phone number?
It is 555-0192.
Thank you, Marcus. Your total is $28. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with cash when the driver arrives.
Sounds good. Your pizza will be there in about 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That is great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye.
Good job listening to the slow version.
Listening slowly is the best way to learn new sounds.
Did you hear how Marcus said vegetarian?
This is a very important word.
Let's learn that word now.
Vegetarian?
Vegetarian.
A vegetarian person does not eat meat or fish.
Example 1.
Is this pizza vegetarian?
Example 2.
I am a vegetarian.
Example 3.
This restaurant has many vegetarian dishes.
If you don't eat meat, you can ask for a veggie pizza.
Veggie is a short and easy way to say vegetarian.
Many people choose veggie toppings like spinach or tomatoes.
It is very healthy and very tasty.
Now let's learn our next word.
Address.
Address.
An address is where you live. It includes the street and house number.
Example 1.
What is your address?
Example 2.
Please write your address here.
Example 3.
My address is 10 Main Street.
When ordering pizza, you must be very careful with your address.
If you say the wrong number, the pizza will go to your neighbor.
That would be a sad night for you, but a happy night for your neighbor.
So practice saying your address in English before you call.
You can say the numbers one by one.
For 123, you can say 123.
Now let's learn the next word.
Total.
Total.
The total is the final amount of money you need to pay.
Example 1.
Your total is $15.
Example 2.
What is the total for the 2 pizzas?
Example 3.
The total includes the delivery fee.
Sometimes there is a delivery fee.
This is a small amount of money for the driver's work.
When the worker says your total is, they are telling you the price.
It is good to have your money ready before the driver arrives.
Now let's learn one more word before we listen to the final conversation.
Cash.
Cash.
Cash is physical money, like paper bills and coins.
Example 1.
I will pay with cash.
Example 2.
Do you have any cash?
Example 3.
The shop only accepts cash.
Today, many people pay with credit cards.
But for delivery, some people still like to use cash.
If you use cash, the driver might need to give you change.
Change is the money you get back if you pay too much.
Now let's listen to the conversation at a natural speed.
This is how people really talk in a pizza shop.
Try your best to follow along.
Hello, thank you for calling Tony's Pizza. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Of course. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large.
I would like a large pizza, please.
Great. And what toppings would you like on your pizza?
Can I have pepperoni and extra cheese, please?
Sure, one large pepperoni pizza with extra cheese. Would you like anything else?
Yes. Do you have any vegetarian options? My friend does not eat meat.
Yes, we have a veggie special. It has peppers, onions, olives, and mushrooms.
That sounds good. I will take one medium veggie special too.
Perfect. So that is one large pepperoni and one medium veggie. What kind of crust would you like?
Thin crust for both, please.
No problem. Can I have your name and address for the delivery?
My name is Marcus. My address is 123 Maple Street, apartment 4B.
123 Maple Street, 4B. And your phone number?
It is 555-0192.
Thank you, Marcus. Your total is $28. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with cash when the driver arrives.
Sounds good. Your pizza will be there in about 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That is great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
You too. Goodbye. Excellent work. You just heard a full English conversation about ordering food.
If you can understand this, you can order pizza anywhere.
Practice makes perfect.
Now we have a few more words to learn to help you even more.
Takeaway.
Takeaway.
Takeaway means you go to the shop, buy the food, and take it home.
Example 1.
Let's get a takeaway pizza tonight.
Example 2.
I am waiting for my takeaway order.
Example 3.
Is this for here or takeaway?
In the United States, we often say to go or carry out.
In the UK and Australia, they say takeaway.
Both are correct.
If you are at the shop, they will ask for here or to go.
Now, let's learn the next word.
Extra.
Extra.
Extra means more than the usual amount.
Example 1.
I want extra cheese on my pizza.
Example 2.
Can I have extra napkins, please?
Example 3.
Is there an extra charge for delivery?
Everyone loves extra cheese.
Or extra toppings.
But remember, extra usually costs a little more money.
It is always good to check the price first.
Now let's learn our final word.
Discount.
Discount.
A discount is a lower price than usual.
Example 1.
Do you have a student discount?
Example 2.
There is a 10% discount on large pizzas.
Example 3.
I have a discount coupon for this shop.
Many pizza shops have deals or discounts on Mondays or Tuesdays.
You can ask, are there any special discounts today?
This is a great way to save money.
Who doesn't love cheap pizza? Now, Elizabeth, tell us a real story. Have you ever had a problem ordering pizza?
Oh, yes. A few years ago, I was very tired. I wanted to order a large pizza for my family. I called the shop and I said my address.
Did the pizza arrive?
Well, I waited for 1 hour. No pizza. I called the shop again. I said, "Where is my delivery?" The worker said, "The driver is at 52 High Street."
But your address is 25 High Street, right?
Exactly. I said the numbers backward because I was tired. I said 52 instead of 25.
Oh no, what happened to the pizza?
The person at number 52 was very happy. They took the pizza and ate it.
That is a very funny story, but it shows why we must be careful with numbers.
Yes. Now, I always repeat my address twice to make sure.
That is a good tip for everyone. Now, let's review everything we learned today. Reviewing is the key to remembering.
Please listen and repeat after us.
Delivery.
Bringing food to your home. I want delivery.
Toppings.
Ingredients on top of the pizza. What toppings do you like?
Crust.
The bread part of the pizza. I like thin crust.
Vegetarian.
No meat? Is this pizza vegetarian?
Address.
Where you live. What is your address?
Total.
The final price. What is the total?
Cash.
Paper money. I will pay with cash.
Takeaway.
Buying food to take home. Let's get takeaway.
Extra.
More than usual. Extra cheese, please.
Discount.
A cheaper price. Is there a discount?
You did an amazing job today. Learning to order food over the phone is a big step.
Yes. It helps you practice listening and speaking at the same time.
Remember, the person on the phone wants to help you. If you don't understand, you can say, "Can you repeat that slowly, please?"
Don't be afraid to ask for help. Every conversation makes you stronger in English.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson at World English Studio. Next time you are hungry, try to call a pizza shop.
Thank you for studying with us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite pizza topping?
Mine is mushroom.
Mine is pepperoni. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.